Hello dear student, how are you? Hope you all are fine at your home and doing studies well. Students, today I am going to tell you about rational numbers as decimals, but in this class we will convert the terminating decimals into rational numbers. Conversion of terminating rational numbers into terminating decimals into rational numbers. We will convert here the decimals into terminating decimals into rational number. Terminating decimal, as we have already discussed in the previous class, हमने कल आपको करवाया था कि टर्मिनेटिंग नंबर्स कौन से होते हैं, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नंबर्स कौन से होते हैं. पिछली क्लास में जब हमने करवाया था तो आपको एक बात बताई थी कि टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल्स क्या होते हैं. टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल्स whose decimal place has finite places. अगर डेसिमल के बाद में आपको फाइनाइट प्लेसेस पर नंबर्स अगर मिलेंगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल. और अगर हमें कोई नंबर बार बार रिपीट होता हुआ दिखाई दे रहा है या कुछ नंबर्स बार बार रिपीट होते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हैं डेसिमल के बाद में, वो नंबर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग होगा. इज दिस क्लियर? और डायरेक्टली हम कह सकते हैं कि अगर रिमाइंडर 0 हो जाता है, इट मीन्स आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग दैट नंबर, अगर रिमाइंडर 0 हो जाता है तो वो नंबर टर्मिनेटिंग हो जाएगा. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं हो पाता है, कभी नहीं हो पाता है किसी भी प्रोसेस के बाद में, देन वो नंबर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नंबर हो जाएगा. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सी there is conversion of terminating decimals into rational number. Suppose we have 0.2. This is the number here, and this is the terminating number because after decimal it terminates. Is it clear? It means if we want to convert it into the rational number, we will obsolete this decimal place. This decimal, यहाँ से हम decimal को हटाएंगे और हम यहाँ क्या लगा देंगे, 10, because डेसिमल के बाद में कितने डिजिट थे, only 1 डिजिट. नाउ अगर हम यहाँ कोई नंबर 2 या 2 to 5 या 10 लोवेस्ट फॉर्म में चेंज करेंगे, 1/5 इज द आंसर हियर. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ इस तरीके से हम डेसिमल्स को रेशनल नंबर्स में चेंज करेंगे. इन ऑल द क्वेश्चन वी विल डू लाइक दिस. फर्स्टली डेसिमल हटाएंगे, उसके बाद नीचे 10 to the powers में लगाएंगे and then reduced into lowest form. It will convert it to rational number. Is it clear? Now let's see there is the worksheet 3. In the worksheet 3 there is question number 1. In the question number 1 there is given that (0.25). I will do here only 4 questions of part 5. There is 0.25 and we have to convert it into the rational number. For rational number, I have already discussed that firstly we will have the 25 here, and in the denominator what will we do here? Denominator में हम decimal के बाद जितने places पर digits लिखे हुए हैं उतने ही digits यहाँ 0 लगा देंगे 1 के साथ. Is it clear? डेसिमल के बाद में 2 ही डिजिट्स थे, यहाँ 2 ही 0 हम यहाँ पुट कर देंगे. Is it clear? Now we reduce it into the lowest form. It is both are divided by 25. 25 1 25 and 25 4 100. It means this is converted to 1/4. Is this clear, students? This is 1/4 here. Now we will do here one negative answer. There is part second. This is part 2. Minus 0.052. Is this clear? There is, it doesn't mean there is a negative sign. It put as it is in the answer also. There is this, and now 5 2. Before the number there is no need to write the zeros. After decimal 1 2 3 digits are there, so we will place in the denominator 3 zeros with 1. 1000. 52 divided by 1000 and it will be cut by 1 2. 2 to the 4, 2 6 the 12, 2 5 the 10, 0 0. Again it is divided by 2. 2 to the 4, 2 5 the 10, 0. 2 in the 2, 2 3 the 6. Now to decimal changes to decimal form changes to rational number. Is it clear, students? Now there is a all parts you will do yourself. These are the easy questions here. There is no problem. Now there is a question number 2 here. In the question number 2, add the following decimals. We have to add the decimals. Is it clear, students? Now, how do you add the sums here? There are given numbers. Some decimal numbers are given here. 7.51 and 11.501. These numbers are given here, and we have to add these numbers. So, students, you will see here that how to add these decimals. फर्स्टली अगर कंसेप्ट अगर आपका क्लियर हो जाएगा यही, तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी किसी भी क्वेश्चन को समझने में और करने में. लेट्स सी हियर. देयर इज 2.5. वन नंबर इज रिटन हियर, दैट इज 2.5. फर्स्ट नंबर हमने एज इट इज लिख दिया जैसा था. नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 7.51. 7.51. Check it. Where is point here? This is decimal here. Is this clear? Now write down the before digits to the decimal. Before the decimal, what number is written here? 7. This is written as this. Decimal. Decimal के नीचे decimal आने चाहिए सभी numbers के. Check it here. After decimal, what number is written here? 5. Below 5. And there is 1. नंबर के नीचे नंबर लिखा हुआ होना चाहिए, तो आपका कभी भी गलत नहीं होगा. Firstly, put the decimal. Again, put the decimal first. Before decimal, what will be written here? 1, this one, and next this one. Write down this. Write down like this always. All numbers are written below each other, and another number is in a next column. And now, what will be there? 501. After decimal, 5, 0, and 1. Below the digits. All the numbers are below to each other. And next one is in the another column. And before, above this, these numbers, we will write here, place here the 0. We will place here 0 as well. Now, we will add all these numbers. 1, 1, 5, 15. And there is one number, 3, 7, 10, 10, 11, and 1 is carrying here 1 plus 1, 2. 21.515. 511. This will get the answer here. Is it clear, students? After decimal, we will read this number as 511, not 511. Always remember it. After decimal, we will read this number as 21.511. Is this clear, students? Now, all the additional numbers you will do like this. There is no need to ask to write down here all the questions. You will do yourself all the questions, all the remaining questions without this number. Without this question. Is this clear, students? Okay. Now we will do here the question number 3. Let's see. Now, students, there is a question 2.9 into 3.5, and in the question there is given that compute the following expression. We have to compute means solve this question, calculate it. 2.9 into 3.5. You are seeing here there are only the decimals here. So first both are multiplying. Now, students, what will you do here? 29 डिवाइडेड बाय डेसिमल हटाइए और यहाँ क्या लगा देंगे 10 इंटू 35 डेसिमल हटाया यहाँ भी और नीचे क्या लगा दिया 10. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ इट विल बी now both the numbers are multiplying here. 29 is multiplied by 37. 29 is multiplied by 35. What will we get here? If one number is cut here, this is cutting here. 7, 5, 7 is 35, 5, 2 is 10. Both numbers are divided by 5 here. Okay, students? Now we will multiply both the numbers. 29 multiplying by 7. 203. We will get here 203 divided by 20. And now it will be divided by 20. 20 will be 20. And now 0. And there is 30. Dividing here 203. 20 will be 20. It will get here 0. Again this is 0. 20 will be 20. And 10. 25 is 100. And there is 10.15. It is the terminating decimal we will place here. So the question is trying like this. And you can also do this question as 29 into 35. We will multiplying both the numbers. 29 into 35. What will we get here? 1015. We will get here this number 1015. This will be the answer here. And now we will place the decimal here. Counting the digits after the decimal. Counting the digits in all the numbers. After the decimal 1. After the decimal 1. 1 and 1, 2 digits. Then after 2 digits we will place here the decimal. Is it clear, students? Both ways are correct here. Now we will do here the next question. There is 37 into 1276 divided by 100. It will be divided by 100. Is it clear? Now what will we do here? Again this will be multiplying by this and put the decimal in the answer. Is this clear, students? Now, and you also, why doing this? You are also doing like this. आप इस क्वेश्चन को ऐसे लिखने की बजाय आप डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. 1276 divided by multiplying by 37 and placed the decimal after 2 digits. Let's see. This will be get here 47, 21 and 2. Now we will place the decimal after how many digits after decimal? Yes, students, there we will get here after multiplying both. Decimal को यहाँ से हटा कुछ टाइम के लिए हटा दीजिए और इन नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करिए. मल्टीप्लाई करने पर हमारे पास ये नंबर आएंगे. इन नंबर्स में आप डेसिमल के बाद में जितने डिजिट्स हैं काउंट कर लीजिए. इसमें डेसिमल के बाद में कोई डिजिट नहीं है. यस, इसमें डेसिमल के बाद में कितने डिजिट्स हैं? 2. Then count the 2 digits and place the decimal here. There is the answer 472 decimal 1 2. Is this clear, students? We will do like this all the questions doing. Okay, students. Now let's go to the next question. Now, students, there is a question number 3 part 3 here. In the question number 3 part 3, there are 2 multiplying numbers are given here. So what will we do here? There after decimal there are 2 points and before decimal there is a 0 number. So don't write it in the product. Write down here. 84 को 88 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम. Let's see here what will we get. There we have 7392. Now after this decimal, how many numbers are there after decimal? How many digits? 1, 2 and 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3 digits are there. So before 3 digits we will place here the decimal. Is it clear, students? Yes? Okay. Now we will do here the part 5. In the part 5, same doing like this. First we will multiply two numbers and then multiplying to the third number. First multiply here 1, 2, 4, 1, 5, 7. So students, we will get here 19468. 19468 and then it will be multiplying by 132. 132. डेसिमल को हमें कुछ देर के लिए भूल जाएंगे जब तक हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. 132 multiplying this number to the 132. Let's see. Now students, after multiplying by 132 we will get here this. Okay students, now after this we will place here how many digits after decimal? 1, 2, 3. After decimal only 3 digits are there. So we will place in the answer before the 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. From the right side we will take the decimal after the 3 digits. Is this clear students? Now we will go to the next question. Let's see. Now students, अभी आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी अगर आपने ये कंसेप्ट क्लियर कर लिया है कि कैसे हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है, कैसे हमें ऐड करना है, कैसे हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. Is this clear students? Now we will go to the next question. Let's see. Now students, there is a question number 4. Question number 4 part first is there. We will divide here this number by 9. Let's see there. Normal long division method as we have already done in the previous classes from the kids. So let's see. There is the division here 5, 9.049. Let's see here. This is divisible by 9. So taking first digit from the left side, it will be divided by 9. No, it's the last number. So taken here the 2 digits 59. Now recite the table of 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27. Doing like this, we are getting here 9 6 ja 54. 9 6 ja 54. Now it's a subtracting here 9 4 5 and there is decimal. So we before 0 को नेक्स्ट डिजिट को यहाँ लाने से पहले हम यहाँ भी डेसिमल लगाएंगे. डेसिमल के बाद वाला नेक्स्ट डिजिट लाने से पहले डेसिमल को यहाँ से बोरो करेंगे. This will get here. Now we will place here the next digit 0. Is this clear? Now 9 5 ja 45. What will we get here after subtracting it? 5. Now we will place here the next digit, that is 4. This will be 54. It will be subtracting here. We will get here the 0. Now we will place here the number 9 and 9 1 ja 9. It will get here the 0. So students, this is the remainder here and this is the quotient here. It's a normal division as we have already done in the previous classes, but there is a difference here that where we will put the decimal in the quotient, it will get the problem. So I am repeating again. Listen carefully. Let's see here. Firstly, we will divide 5. No. Then take the 2 digits 5 and 9. It will be divided, yes, because it's greater than 9. 9 6 ja 54. We will subtract it this number and before after decimal, यहाँ हम डेसिमल के बाद में अब नेक्स्ट नंबर उतारना चाह रहे हैं. अगर नेक्स्ट नंबर हमें लेना है तो उससे पहले डेसिमल हमें यहाँ भी प्लेस करना होगा. पहले क्वेश्चन में भी डेसिमल प्लेस करिए जब डेसिमल के बाद वाले नंबर्स को आप यूज करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो नाउ अब मुझे डेसिमल के बाद वाला नंबर यहाँ लाना है. इसके लिए मैं क्या करूंगी, सबसे पहले मुझे क्वेश्चन में डेसिमल प्लेस करना है. अब मैं नेक्स्ट नंबर यहाँ लाऊंगी और देन आई विल डिवाइड इट अगेन. 9 5 ja 45. Now it will be subtracted 5. Now the next number is 4. 9 6 ja 54 and next number is 9. 9 1 ja 9. It's get the remainder in the quotient. Is it clear students? It will get the very easy, in the very easy steps we will do here, all the questions of division. Let's see next question. Let's see. Yes, students, there is the next part, that is second part, question number 4. In this question, both numbers are decimal numbers. So students, change it to यहाँ सबसे पहले हम डेसिमल्स को हटाएंगे and then try to solve this question. It's make the very simple. So we will do it as this will get 64 divided by 10. Change this divide sign into the multiply and we will get here the 10 divided by 2. After dividing, divide change into multiply and we will get the reciprocal of this number. Yes. Now it will be cut here 10, 1 the 10, 10 and the 10 and 2 and the 2, 2 3 the 6, 2 the 4. We will get here the 32 as the answer. देखिए आपको यहाँ डिवाइड भी करने की जरूरत नहीं हुई और आपका आंसर भी आ गया. Why? Because both are the decimal numbers and both are the simple numbers which are cut to each other. Okay students, now we will go to the next question. Let's see. Yes students, there is the next question, 0.015 divided by 3. It will get the very easy 0.015. It will be divided by 3. Okay students. Now students, you are seeing here before decimal there is only one digit and 0 is less than 3, so it can't divide. So we have to take after decimal digit. So after decimal के बाद वाला डिजिट लेने के से पहले आपको यहाँ भी डेसिमल लगाना पड़ेगा. Is this clear? So 0 point and next अब हमने दो डिजिट्स ले लिए 0 0. No, क्या अब डिवाइड हो सकता है 3 से? No, because 0 0 means 0 and 0 is less than 3. We can't divide. So if we can divide, then we will place here the 0. Now we will take again, there is one digit again and we will get here, this is 3, no, it will again not divided. So now it will get here the 5, now it will be divided. 0.35 ja 15. It will get here the remainder as 0 and this is question here. Is it clear students? This will be the answer. Is it clear? Yes. Now we will take the next question. Let's see question number 4. Now students, there is a question number 4 part 5. In the part 5 and the remaining questions you will do yourself, which are typical, have some problem. Then these questions are already done here, but the remaining questions आपको खुद ट्राई करने होंगे जिससे कि आपको कंसेप्ट अच्छे से क्लियर हो सके और आप अपने आप में कॉन्फिडेंस ला सकें कि आपको ये क्वेश्चंस अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ चुके हैं. इज इट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वी विल डू both are the decimal numbers, so we will trying it like this. That question, let's part 2. There is 2 4 7 2. We will write it as before number there are zeros, don't write it. There is 1 2 3 4 5. After decimal, how many digits? 5 digits. So place here the 5 zeros. Is it clear? Now it will be divided here and before 8 there is no need to write zeros. So 8 divided by 1 2 3. So 1000 we will place here. Clear? Now 2 4 7 2 divided by 1 lakh. Divide and change it into multiply and it will get the reciprocal 30 and it will be divided by 8. 10 10 10 10 and 10 and it will be divided by 8 directly. 8 1 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 8 नहीं जाएगा, 8 9 ja 72. So we will get here 309 divided by 100. But we have to reduce into the decimal form. So there is 2 zeros. So So before 2 digits we will place the decimal. This will be the decimal 09. 3.09 is the answer here. Okay students, are you clear? Hope so. All questions are cleared up to the 4th. Question number 1 to the 4th, all the questions are cleared here. Next questions we will do in the next class. बच्चों कोशिश करो, जितनी ज़्यादा आप मैथ्स में प्रैक्टिस करोगे तभी आप क्वेश्चन पर अच्छे से टिप्स पर होंगे आपको. क्लियर? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बाय, हैव ए नाइस डे, थैंक यू.